Luckily for you puppies, there's an adoption event happening right now at the pet store just a few blocks away. But we gotta hurry. Adoption day is almost over. Plus, if I'm being totally honest, I do not have the greatest attention span. This thing goes on for more than like another 20 minutes. I'm gonna get bored and zone out. Okay, back to the plan. This is a map of the city. Believe it or not, I drew it myself. Okay, look, it's a little abstract, but the point is, that's me, that's you, that's the pet store. Now, I've made it my personal mission to get all of you stray puppy dogs adopted, and I will not let you down. And then I'm gonna frame this, because this is a work of art. Now keep going this way. We're gonna sneak through the building storage area. If anyone discovers you, it's all over. But don't worry, everyone will be looking at me. All right, keep it moving.
All vehicles will be resuming ownership momentarily. Please remain seated with arms and legs inside the
Okay, just listen to Captain Snowball and do exactly what he said. Unless he say something crazy, which he probably will. Anyways, have fun.
Something I never thought I'd say.
Someone must be a super cool high-tech drug. Come on, go down this drug alley. Don't worry, if there were danger, my buddy senses would warn us. Check out that buddy packer. Yeah, a flying buddy. You can go home now. You officially sent it off.
I'll tuck you this way and that. I'll make you look like a waffle.
No! Okay, good one, guys. Let me go. Oh, my best friend, your cat! Oh, my ears!
Strap myself to a rock. These rocks are going to get us to the next door twice as fast. We made it! Was there any doubt? I mean, honestly, this plan's crazy.
This is gonna be great! You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Cute.
I love them so much already. What do you think?
Let's do it.
Having an owner is so much fun. But just a heads up, okay? You will see lots of walks.
Oh, wow. Look how soft your bed is.
You love me. I just get pets home, so